Good morning, Keebfans. Geebz here, and I'm starting this morning here in Sacramento, California at 10:38 a.m. It is a lovely day, and I'm pretty excited to get started with everything that's going to be going down. I have my list here, so then that way I can get started faster and be more concise with my information. So today I'm going to be using the TOFU65 aluminum chassis. This is the ink blue, which looks a little gray, honestly, but hey, it is what it is. Got the cement PBT keycaps from Keebfans. And yeah, so let's talk about the info on the board. So it has screw-in Durox stabs, lubed with 205 grade 0, and the wires have dielectric grease on it. So the standard, no holy mod this time. Got some plate foam, some PCB foam. Also have some other stuff going on, like switch pads, which I put down below these so it sounds really nice. It kind of mimics that whole film thing that you can do, except I did it just specifically for each switch. It takes a little longer, but honestly I like the result. So these are cherry-picked Aqua Kings, 67 gram springs. I didn't have too many, so I cherry picked to the best of my ability on what I had. The plate is polycarbonate. I do have a few other plates that I can use, like aluminum and brass, and I don't have FR4, whatever it is, and so I would like to get one of those in the future. There's also stabilizer pads below the stabs, just to lessen the chance of rattle and all that good stuff. So yeah, that's about it for the keyboard. Now for the channel update, I had to make a new channel. This is going to be my last video on this channel specifically, and then I'll start moving over to the other one. It's still going to be Geebz. This channel, for some reason, doesn't work all the time. So sometimes I'll go to upload, make a short, or do something like that, and won't let me, or it'll tell me, hey, this channel doesn't exist. That's a little frustrating, so I decided to make a dedicated channel instead of like a subdivision of my own personal account. I'm like, no, I'm just going to make it completely separate and go from there. But yeah, also, I have Twitter, Instagram, and I'm making a Facebook, even though I made the Facebook and it banned me the very first day. The second I made it, it's like, oh, you're not complying with the guidelines. It's like, excuse me? I just made you, so I don't know if that's the standard these days to where you're just banned until, proven innocent or whatever it is. But anyways, yeah, so I got that. I'm also making a website, a blog on Wix. So you guys can check that out eventually when I'm done with it. I'm going to have my future content on there, schedules. I'm also going to be linking my Twitch channel to there too. So if you want to see my live streams and what I'm doing and what I'm working on, so you can see me live in action. The edited videos, well, not exactly edited. Most of my videos are not edited. I like to be able to talk and have a straight through experience for you guys. One camera angle. For now at least. I want to get one of those nice Canons that I can put around, and maybe a GoPro or something, so that I can get maybe a close-up angle, like down here or over here, and then have a top down so you can see that, and then have like one of those nice boom mics that come over and drop down, so then you don't hear all the vibrations, because you can hear the thudding. So when I'm typing, you can hear all that. It's a little, you don't get the isolated pure experience of what the board is. So it dirties it up. Yeah, that's it. So I'll put my list back down over here. Actually, that's maybe a little distracting. I'll put that over here. Then we'll get started. So I'm gonna just click on this for Zen. I'm on monkey type, so then that way I can just type in randomly, because I'm a slow typist, but I want you guys to kind of hear the best of the board. So yeah, here we go, Aqua Kings, and TOFU65 on a polycarbonate plate with cement PVT caps. Enjoy. Okay. So yeah, I mean, that's what it sounds like, you know, with the heavy typing and more gentle typing. Yeah, I need to switch out that alt. That's it. So yeah, no, I mean this board is pretty solid. Has that nice plate on the back. Colors look pretty good. Nice and aesthetic. Got that little X over here, which I like. Had to switch out this right here, so instead of home, it's super let me know what you guys think of this build. Personally, when it comes to sounding, it's one of my favorites. I really enjoy the Aqua Kings. What I really can't wait is to test out these switches right here, which are already lubed, filmed. My little niece helped me out with them, so that's pretty exciting. No, she's a good kid, and so I'm surprised that she even took a liking to this in the first place, especially since she's 10 and she's turning 11 in 3 days. So, happy early birthday, Harper. Yeah, hope all your birthday wishes come true and all that stuff. Yeah, so these are pretty nice. You know, they still have that scratchiness to them. Just a bit. Nothing that breaking in won't fix. Yeah, no, I'm excited. So we got future content coming out. I'm gonna be switching off of this and migrating over to a different channel. Same channel name and everything, but just basically different base email and that kind of stuff. I'll be leaving my contact information if you guys are interested in future content, or you just want to maybe hit me up and give me some suggestions. If you guys have some extra stuff that you want to send my way and have me test it out and do all that kind of good stuff, absolutely. You know, it doesn't need to be a lot. I don't want a lot. Even if it's just like a little pack of switches or something, you know, or a PCB, you know, something like that. It doesn't need to be a full kit. Yeah, you know, I mean, I would appreciate that. You don't have to do it. You know, I want to leave that possibility open for people who want to be a part of that. So, anyways, much love, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I always appreciate your love, your comments, and, you know, it's a nice community. It's a lovely community. I never really thought I'd be a part of it, and here I am. So, it's amazing what time will do for you, huh? So, have a good day, everybody. Or evening or night, wherever you are. This is Geebz, and much love. Stay safe out there, and see you next time. Bye-bye.